I started my career, I worked on a pediatric med-surg floor, and we were busy. We didn't have a vascular access team. We merely had to do it all on our own. But I knew that there was something better out there. I knew that having an expert or somebody within this specialty could provide that first success. And I wanted to make that impact, and I wanted to bring that into the facility that I worked at. So actually, I started our pediatric vascular access team in one of the hospitals that I worked at in the Midwest in 2015. And the reason why I wanted to do it was because I wanted to give that experience for our patients and give them that vulnerability to be erased. We wanted to make that a positive impact for them. I believe that when I come in to do my job, that I make it a comfortable part of a procedure, right? We know that the scariest part of children being admitted to the hospital is that they get an IV inserted. So when I come in, my families, my parents, my children, they recognize me, they see me with my equipment, and they know that they're in good hands. They know that they're going to get one poke, and we'll have success with it. I believe that if we do not have the proper tools and resources for our neonate and pediatric population, we do not set them up for success for the future. So if we're not doing it right when they're little, these kids go on to live with these comorbidities and these disease processes. And if we're not providing them with the right device when they're young, we really aren't setting them up for success for the future of living with that disease process. In the pediatric space, we have an opportunity to really develop and hone in on our babies and children and those products that we have available to us. Because we often piecemeal and make shift and make it work for us. We're all innovators, but we really have an opportunity to improve on the products that are available within our space. It's very important that we're staying up to date with evidence-based practice and diving deep into literature and really bringing that back to your practice. I think often in the neonate and pediatric space, we don't have a lot of literature. There's not a lot of literature like they have in adults. So really encouraging and empowering us clinicians in our space to be able to develop, publish, so we can share with the successes amongst the country globally, so that way we can continue to advance and push that envelope for our patients.